In this video, you will learn how to join Jio Associate program, which will help you to earn by doing mobile recharges. Along with, we will see how a Jio Associate can set up MPIN, which is a mandatory 4-digit PIN required to validate any recharge transaction in JioPOS Lite. Before we start the registration journey, you can join Jio Associate program using your Jio connection. To get started, download JioPOS Lite application from Google Play Store. Once the app is successfully installed, you will see the app icon on your mobile. Here, tap on the app icon to open it. Next, tap on Allow All. After that, tap on Allow to allow the apps to send and view the messages. Here remember that if you tap on Deny, certain functions of your app will not work unless Allow option is selected. Next, tap on Allow to give permission for accessing your contacts. Similarly, tap on Allow to give permission for accessing the location. Moving ahead, on the Sign In Sign Up page, tap on Sign Up. Now enter the email address and Jio mobile number. Then tap on Generate OTP. After which, within few seconds, you will receive an OTP from Jio on your registered mobile number. Next, enter the OTP received. Now, tap on Validate OTP. Here, the system will validate the OTP. Moving ahead, details like name and email will be auto-populated on screen. Now tap on Choose your work location. Now you will see a map. Move the pin drop to correct business location. After that, tap on Done. After that, tick both the boxes to accept the terms and conditions. Next, tap on Continue. With this, you have successfully registered to the Jio Associate program. Tap on Done to proceed. Now you are required to set up MPIN, which will be needed to validate every recharge transaction. For that, open JioPOS Lite and tap on Sign In. Next, enter your Jio mobile number and tap on Generate OTP. After which, within seconds, you will receive an OTP from Jio on your mobile number. Now enter OTP and tap on Validate OTP. Thereafter, you can set your 4-digit MPIN. Here, enter MPIN of your choice and re-enter to confirm it. Next, tap on Setup. Now that you have seen the registration and MPIN setup process, the next step would be to load money. Let's see the load money process. On the home page, you will see the wallet balance of your account. Tap on Load Money to add funds. Alternatively, you can tap on the ladder icon and select Load Money option. Here, enter the amount you want manually to load in your JioPOS Lite digital wallet. Alternatively, you can tap the Ready Amount tab, that is 500, 1000, etc. Few important points to remember. First, the amount loaded will include your margin in advance. Second, the joining fees for this program is 1000 rupees, but as an introductory offer, it is waived off. However, for the first time, the recharge wallet has to be loaded with minimum 1000 rupees as balance. And lastly, subsequent recharges have to be done with minimum 200 rupees and above with no cap on maximum limit. Now, tap on Proceed. You can add funds via multiple options like UPI, debit card, net banking, credit card and digital wallets like JioMoney, Paytm, PhonePe and MobiKwik. Select your option and complete payment transaction digitally. After successful transaction, you will see a confirmation message that the money has been loaded in your JioPOS Lite digital account. On the home page, you will notice that the amount has been added to your recharge wallet. Now, tap on Done. Now that money is loaded into your wallet, it's time to start doing recharges on customers' Jio number. Let's see the steps. Now, there are two ways to go about with the recharge. Either you may tap on Recharge from the home screen. The second way is, after you tap on ladder icon, you can then tap on Recharge. Next, enter the customer's Jio number here. Then tap on Submit. Now, after consulting the customer, select the appropriate plan from the list and tap on Buy. As a Jio associate, you need to validate the transaction by entering your MPIN here. Soon, a recharge confirmation will appear on the screen with the transaction ID. You may show the screen to the customer, which reads, "Your transaction is successfully processed and plan benefits will reflect in your account." Then tap on Done. Let's see how you can keep track of your earnings. You can do this in two ways. First, on the home screen, tap on My Earnings. Or you could tap on the ladder icon and then on My Earnings. Here, you can view the total margin you have earned by loading money in your wallet. Likewise, you can view the total margin for any other day by tapping on that particular date. Next, let's see how you can keep track of your business transactions. On the home screen, tap on Passbook. Here, you can view all transactions completed in the last 20 days. All the plus sign columns indicate transactions, where money was loaded to the wallet. The circular arrow sign transactions indicate transactions where money was deducted from the wallet while doing recharge for customers. Now, tap on the Load Money tab. Here, the app will display transactions date-wise when you loaded money into the wallet. Next, tap on the Recharge tab to the right. Here, you can view all the recharge transactions date-wise. Moving on, we will see how you can view customer details for whom you are doing frequent recharges. On the home screen, tap on the ladder icon. Now, tap on My Customers. Here on top will be seen the details of customers who recharge frequently. Below are the details of other customers. By viewing the last recharge date and amount recharged, you can remind customers when their recharge is due. With this, you had completed the learning for using JioPOS Lite. Happy selling and earning!